At one point or another, you've probably asked yourself if Twitter is actually helpful for growing your business or if it's a total waste of time. The truth is, it's only helpful for promoting your brand if you know how to use it in the right ways. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here's how you can harness the social power of Twitter to gain followers, fans, and customers. Set Twitter goals. Posting without a plan doesn't work. You need to set goals and milestones you want to achieve so you can customize your posts accordingly. 65% of businesses say generating leads is the biggest challenge when it comes to marketing. Why not try using Twitter to overcome this difficulty? Gain exposure with Twitter chats. Your main question when it comes to Twitter is probably, how can I get more followers? But the thing you really should be focusing on is how to get more active Twitter followers. The numbers don't mean anything if your followers aren't engaging with you. The answer to gaining active followers is Twitter chats. That's how you can grow your following and gain the attention of users who have more popularity than you. Create a tweeting strategy and schedule. You've got to have a posting schedule for your Twitter account so you know what you're going to tweet and when you are going to tweet. Keep your post schedule in mind when you're adding to your editorial content calendar. Use Twitter ads. There are 3 different types of Twitter ads: promoted ads, follower ads, and trend takeovers. You can choose Twitter ad campaigns based on your objective, and you can select which results you want to pay for within each campaign. For more information, visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.